Hi, Brenton Begley here, attorney and partner with McIntyre Elder Law, and let's talk about estate planning and bankruptcy. So none of us plan for some type of, need to file a action for bankruptcy in the future. That's not something anyone plans to do, but it might be a reality. There's different reasons for bankruptcy and different ways to approach bankruptcy, and a lot of times the purpose of doing it is to save the assets that you can save and try to restructure the debt and pay off creditors. So what can you do in estate planning to ensure that if in the future bankruptcy is needed, that you can go through that process as smooth and easy as possible? Well, one of the main things that we're concerned about is making sure that if something ever happens to you, whether you're incompetent, incapacitated, or unable to act on your own behalf, that you have a trusted individual that you've named with the requisite legal authority to get you through any sort of legal process, including bankruptcy. So what this is a power of attorney. So a power of attorney document, also known as the general durable power of attorney, allows you to name an individual called an agent. This agent will have the authority to act on your behalf with any of the powers that you enumerate in that power of attorney document. So they can only do those things that are listed out in the document that you sign. So what needs to be included in those documents, the power of attorney document, is specific authority to be able to act on your behalf with respect to legal actions, such as bankruptcy if it's necessary, or really any other legal action that may be needed to be taken on your behalf, like suing on your behalf if you're mistreated in a facility or a nursing home, bringing an action to make sure that you get the proper inheritance from a loved one, bringing an action on your behalf if someone breaches a contract that you've entered into, if someone doesn't pay you the money that they owe you. And lastly, if God forbid, bankruptcy is necessary, being able to enter that process with the requisite authority to protect as much assets as possible, restructure the debt, and get you past any of those creditors. So how do you prepare for bankruptcy and estate planning? The best way to do it is to make sure you've entered into a power of attorney document where you've named somebody that you trust with the requisite authority to act on your behalf. If you have questions about power of attorney or any other thing that we do, which is estate planning and elder law, such as protection of assets, application and approval for benefits for long-term care, we can help, okay? If you have those questions, visit our website, mcelderlaw.com, and there you can schedule a free consult online.
Please don't wait till